Good morning, students. Today we are going with a very simple area of preparing knockout fixtures. Here you see in the knockout fixtures we are taking 12 teams. That means the 12, that is even number. So how to go ahead with this even number, you just see. We need to concentrate, before we preparing fixtures, we need to concentrate on these 8 points. What are these? Total number of teams, total number of matches, total number of teams in the upper half, total number of teams in the lower half, total number of rounds, total number of buys, total number of buys in the upper half, and total number of buys in the lower half. Now we have this 12 teams. So look at this 12 teams. So total number of teams, that is 12. Total number of matches, that is n minus 1, that means 12 minus 1 is equal to 11 matches. Total number of matches 11. Now come to this 3 and 4, total number of teams in the upper half and lower half. When we have even number of teams, so naturally we do not use this formula, it is simply divided by 2. If we have 12 teams, 6 teams will be in the upper half and 6 teams will be in the lower half. Now, total number of rounds. When we have 12 teams, so we have to look out the number which is in power of 2 after 12. That means it is 16. So 16 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means we will have total 4 rounds. Next, total number of buys in the upper half, total number of buys in the lower half. Generally we use this formula to decide this number of buys in the upper half and the lower half. NB minus 1 divided by 2 for upper half, NB plus 1 divided by 2 in the lower half. Now here, if we have this even number of teams, so we do not use this. We should see how many total number of buys. Here total number of buys, that means it says 16, that is the number which is in power of 2 after 12 minus 12, that is equal to 4. When we have 4 buys, actually we have to divide this buys equally in the upper and the lower half. So we have 4 buys. How to adjust these 4 buys? Now you see, first buy is given to the last team of the lower half, second buy is given to the first team of the upper half, third buy is given to the first team of the upper half, and fourth buy is given to the last team of the upper half. Now buys are adjusted here, you see, when we 4, so 2 in the lower half and 2 in the upper half. Now if we prepare fixtures, so matches will be 2 versus 3, 4 versus 5, 8 versus 9, 10 versus 11 in the first round. Second round, of course, the buy and this we adjust. Similarly in the lower half. Then the third round matches, which is semi-final, and then the final that comes. Thank you.